Ukrainian drones attacked an ammunition depot in Karachev-Bryansk region, Russia. The 67th Main Missile and Artillery Directorate arsenal storing ammo, including from North Korea, was hit. Detonations have begun, and despite claims of 12 drones being shot down, the situation seems out of control. The Gryu arsenal near the city of Karachev in the Bryansk region, 114 kilometers from the border. It is located close to a 20,000-strong settlement. At the same time, satellite images from 2021 indicate that some of the ammunition in this warehouse was stored in the open air. This is another attack in a series of attacks on Russian ammunition depots in the previous month. In mid-September 2024, Ukraine carried out a significant drone attack on a Russian ammunition depot located in Toropets, Tver region. This strike caused massive explosions, one of which was so powerful that it was detected as a seismic event, magnitude 2.8. The depot, part of Russia's main missile and artillery directorate, suffered extensive damage. This is considered one of the largest single events of the conflict, with the explosion creating a crater over 80 meters wide. In addition to the attack on the Toropets depot in mid-September, Ukraine has targeted other Russian ammunition depots over the past month. Notable strikes include those on depots in Tikhoretsk, Krasnodar region, and Oktyabrsk, Tver region. The attack on Tikhoretsk destroyed large amounts of ammunition, including supplies recently received from North Korea. Satellite images revealed extensive damage, particularly in the northern parts of these depots, significantly disrupting Russia's military logistics in these regions. As of this morning, the oil depot in Feodosia is still burning, with flames more visible and smoke not subsiding. Russian emergency services say the fire will continue for several more days and cannot be extinguished until the fuel tanks burn out completely. Russian forces attempted another assault on the positions of the 46th Airmobile Brigade. Thanks to a swift response, several Russian vehicles were destroyed, leaving their forces in disarray. In the end, they retreated, leaving behind debris and scrap metal on Ukrainian soil. Destruction of a Russian mobile L-band 3D surveillance radar, 39N6, Kosta 2E2, by the 15th Artillery Recon Brigade. North Korea is likely sending its soldiers to fight and die in Ukraine alongside Russian troops, Seoul's Defense Minister Kim Yong-hyun said Tuesday. As Russia and North Korea have signed a mutual treaty akin to a military alliance, the possibility of such a deployment is highly likely, South Korea's defense chief told the country's parliament, adding that more of Pyongyang's soldiers are likely to be deployed. The relations between Russia and North Korea are evolving to be almost as close as a military alliance, he said. As such, more North Korean troops could be deployed in the war, from how we look at it. Russia and North Korea have deepened their ties following Moscow's full-scale invasion of Ukraine, culminating in a defense pact signed between the two countries in June, when President Vladimir Putin visited the Asian country for the first time in 25 years. The pact, which represents a sign of the strongest partnership between the two since the Cold War, envisions mutual military assistance between Moscow and Pyongyang if either is attacked. The move added to concerns in the West that North Korea is providing Moscow with munitions to wage its war in Ukraine in exchange for economic assistance and technology transfers. South Korea's defense chief also corroborated Ukrainian media reports that North Korean soldiers have been killed by Kiev's troops as they fend off Putin's aggression. "We believe there have been injuries and fatalities among North Korean troops in Ukraine," he said. The Mirage 2000S destined for Ukraine are still scheduled for delivery in Q1 2025. At Kazo Air Base, they will be equipped with new air-to-ground capabilities and electronic warfare defense systems. Training for Ukrainian pilots and mechanics is ongoing, according to French Minister of the Armed Forces, Sébastien Lecornu. Reportedly, this is a video of Russians casually dropping grenades on civilians in Kherson region. Russian Z-bloggers comment, "This is good practice for young drone operators to upgrade their skills and prepare for real combat operations. Bastards." Ukraine received 122 tons of ammunition, for which Slovaks raised more than €4 million. More than 70,000 Slovaks donated to buy ammunition for the Ukrainian military. It took about 4 to 5 months from the start of the fundraising to the delivery of the shells to Ukraine. The remaining €500,000 raised to help Ukraine will be used to purchase grenade launcher rounds. They are to be delivered by the end of the year.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.